the Albanians. Means his interest was not so much for the Albanian people. He every time cared about the Serbs. So when that thing happened, it means what? It means either he was not very kindful to the Albanians, his interest towards the Albanians that was not so better. So he developed a hostile attitude. His caring attitude that was different. Why? Because he was a Serb. And the maximum majority were the Albanians in Kosovo. What happens next? He wanted the Serbs to dominate the country. The very first ideology of this person was that Serbians का majority होना चाहिए, Serbians का domination होना चाहिए. Serbians should dominate. That was the first thing. Second, many Serb leaders thought that ethnic minorities like Albanian should either leave the country or accept the. If this system goes on, really, I cannot. Even yesterday also I told you. क्या इंटरेस्ट लगता है यार क्लास में है? प्लीज हम भी वहां से वापस हम ही कर गेट से आप लोग घूम जाएंगे. नहीं मजा आता है पढ़ाने, टूट जाता है लिंक. कल से गार्ड को बोल दिया जाएगा अंदर आने नहीं दिया जाएगा. ठीक है? कॉलेज नहीं है, स्कूल है. कभी भी आए कभी भी. बहुत दिन हो गया, फ्राइडे से ही आप लोग थर्सडे से ही आ रहे हैं. कोई बात नहीं है कि नया टाइम टेबल आप लोग को जानकारी है. Okay, let's start with once again. So let us start with the rights. The ethnic massacre in Kosovo. Kosovo is a place in Yugoslavia. It's a province. This Yugoslavia, this absolute Yugoslavia, वहां पर जो majority of people जो reside कर रहे हैं, they are the Serbs over there. लेकिन अगर हम बात करते हैं सिर्फ कोसोवो का, तो कोसोवो में ज्यादा लोग Albanians reside कर रहे हैं. Albanians resided over there. Now soon after the election which took place there, one of the leader, Milosevic, name of the leader, nationalist leader, he won the election. Milosevic won the election, and after winning the election, he assumed the power, and he was a Serb. He was a Serb, and Serbs were most in Yugoslavia. You are knowing it. So he became very much hostile towards the Albanians. His attitude towards the Albanians that was not so much kind type, a cruel nature. He wanted that in the entire state of Kosovo, Serbians should have the power. वो यही सोचा कि dominance जो होना चाहिए, that dominating strength should be vested into the hands of the Serbs, because he himself was Serb. He was a leader also. He won the election also. So what happened? Many Serb leaders thought that ethnic minorities like Albanians should either leave the country or accept the dominance of the Serbs. So these Serb leaders, Milosevic, उनके अलावे और भी जितने अन्य leaders होंगे, they thought that either these Albanians, they must accept कि हाँ Serbs बाहुबली है, Serbs dominated है, तो हम लोग उसी के अंदर चले जाएं. These leaders wanted that Albanians should accept that yes, Serbs are in dominance. मैं उसके अंदर में चला जाऊं. That was the thing जो उनके माइंड में देना चाह रहा था ये लोग, कि Albanians should accept that the Serbs are in majority and we must every time be under the Serbs. That was the ideology of Milosevic and other nationalists. हमारे देश में taking at the contrast, हम जब भी पढ़ा रहे हैं तो हमेशा contrast लेके चलते हैं. इंडिया के डेमोक्रेसी, अरेस्ट वगैरह जो भी हमने पढ़ा अभी, ग्वाटेनामो बे के बारे में, तो अरेस्ट यहाँ भी पढ़ा है, अरेस्ट वहाँ का भी पढ़ा है. देखिए क्या डिफरेंसेस हो रहे हैं. Now in India, what do we see? The Muslims are in minority over here. Muslims are in minority. But taking as a population as a whole, the Muslims have a good population. Although whatever be the population of the Muslims in India, whatever be the population, they will every time be treated as a minority. Now minority, that Muslim is also residing in India. Hindus and so on, and besides Hindus, other people are also residing in India, who are in majority. Are they not residing in a very welfareist way in our country like India? Because there are provisions mentioned in the constitution to look after the interest of the minority वर्ग के लोगों के लिए एक अलग से provisions बने हुए हैं so as to take care about the interest of the minority people. But over here, what are we seeing? That they came to power, and after assuming the power, the ideology came into their mind that now I have become Vikral, I have become a senior now, so I should remove these Albanians from the country. Either they should accept our dominance, word वहां पे लिखा हुआ है, either accept the dominance of the Serbs or leave the country. यानी सर्ब्स की बात को मानो या तो कंट्री छोड़ के चले जाओ. That was the view that was given by the Serbs leader. Now, just you think, if you are a person, think in a right way. Is it correct to say? मेरे बगल में जो मुसलमान रहते हैं तो क्या हम उसको भगा दें वहां से? Why? Because they are in minority? No. There are minorities in India, and we all people are celebrating each other's festival in a grand manner. I am also going to his house. He is also coming to my house. Where is the difference? But here they couldn't control the difference, and they are telling that no, either accept my dominance or leave the country. That was the thing. I think this picture you got it clear till now. Okay, moving forward. This is what happened in the Albanian family in the year 1999. We were talking about the example, and let's see what happened to one of the family, Albanian family, in the year April 1999. What hostilistic attitude was shown by the Serbs? Unfriendly nature क्या दिखाया गया? Let us see. 74-year-old Batisha Hoxha was sitting in her kitchen with her 77-year-old husband Izzat, staying warm by the stove. स्टोव जल रहा था, खाना बन रहा था. बूढ़ी माँ 74 years, she was preparing the food, and her husband 77 years old Mr. Izzat, he was also sitting over there, and they were feeling warmed in the house during the time when the election already took place. So what happened? They had heard explosions but did not realize the Serbian troops had already entered the town. So all of a sudden, when she was preparing the meal, when she was preparing the food, she came to hear the explosion of the bombs. The arms, the ammunitions, the cartridges, all were exploding. And by that noise, still she could not make out that Serbian troops, they had entered into the city. They entered into the city of Kosovo. But she was preparing the food, and she never thought क्या शायद Serbians आए होंगे, ऐसा उनके दिमाग में नहीं आया. She did not think that. What happened? The next thing she knew, 5 or 6 soldiers had burst into the front door and were demanding, "Where are your children?" They shot Izzat 3 times in the chest, recalls Batisha. So all of a sudden, the Serbian troops entered into the city, and this lady, she ignored that. She never cared that who had come, but she was hearing the noise. She never expected that Serbian troops had entered into the city. But all of a sudden, there was a bang on the door. The door far flung opened, and 5 to 6 Serbian soldiers, they entered into the house and inquired into the matter. "Where are your children? Aapke bacche kahan hain?" Getting no answer, the troops, they shot 3 cartridges on the chest of Mr. Izzat, the 77-year-old man. and he died on the spot. With her husband dying before her, the soldiers pulled the wedding ring of her fingers and told her to get out. What happened? The massacre starts now. The snatchings. She was wearing the golden ring, snatched away the golden ring and went away. Who? The Serbian troops. I was not even outside the gate when they burned the house. And just see, it's such a terrorist act. Even she was not given a seconds of her time to come out of the house, and the house was completely burnt out. Then she was standing on the street in the rain with no house, no husband, no position, with the clothes she was wearing. This news report was typical what happened to thousands of Albanians in that period. Do you remember that this massacre was being carried out by the army of their own country, working under the direction of a leader who came to the power through democratic elections? This was one of the most worst instances of killing based on ethnic prejudice in recent times. Finally, several other countries intervened. Milosevic lost power and was tried for the International Court of Justice for crimes against humanity. Let me go forward. The lady was left alone. She was left alone to go on the street in the rain, alone, with nothing on her in her hand, with the dress, whatever she was wearing at that time. She did not have any support from anywhere. The leader, who is supposed to be the governor, who is supposed to be the umbrella of the entire country, that governor was against the Albanians. Can it be possible in a democratic country? No. In a democracy, there is a power sharing. In a democracy, there are checks and balances made by the opposition. Although BJP is there in the central government at Delhi, even in the various other states of the country also, BJP has got the power, which basically people talks about it is a party of Hindu. No, it's wrong. Why can't this BJP government remove the Muslims from the country? Every day or rather in the social media we are hearing some of the things, all the absurd type of things, talking about Muslims and Hindus and so on, creating a type of stimulation within people to develop unfriendly attitude towards the Hindus and Muslims, but that cannot be possible in a democracy. But that took place in Kosovo. The governor, Milosevic, who happens to be the governor, who happens to look after the welfare of the people, that government stood against the Albanians and gave the order to kill all the Albanians. And this lady, she was nowhere. She was standing on the street with no position in her hand, only at the mercy of the God. And same was the case with lakhs and lakhs of people in Albania at that time. Various international bodies interfered into the matter. United Nations organization came and intervened in this. Milosevic, soon after that, lost the election. And after losing the election, he was caught at the International Court of Justice. Where is International Court of Justice in United Nations? It's in Hague. Hague is a place. International Court of Justice, Hague. So Milosevic was called. He was implicated in the court of law. And in that court of law, he was penalized. He was punished for tyranny. He was punished for the tyrannical rule which he did. Now just think, just like that, the two examples which we studied before, the very first one was the Guantanamo Bay prison, the second one was the citizens' right in Saudi Arabia, and the third one we studied today, that is the massacre in Kosovo. Massacre in Kosovo. If I am telling the name of Ram, then I am very bad. If I tell the name of Allah, then it's very good. So does it sound good in my ear? Does it sound good for anybody? No. Are Baba, if he is an Albanian, so what? Let him be Albanian. Why to kill him? But that particular thing came into the mind of the Milosevic, that तुम्हें मेरा dominance मानना पड़ेगा. अगर आप नहीं मानते, then you have to leave the country. Is it fair? Is it humanitarian? No, it does not sound good. So, rights which were supposed to be given to those people, right to live. In our democracy, we have got this. Every time the question is asked, आप देखते होंगे कभी कभी पेपर में डेमोक्रेसी में कोई बूढ़ा आदमी, कोई भिखारी या कोई वगैरह वगैरह कोई मर जाता है भूख से, तो प्रश्न उठता है वहां पर सरकार के जीवन कांप उठती है उस वक्त। ये भूख से मरा तो मरा क्यों? एक तरफ आप बात करते हो फूड सिक्योरिटी की, एक तरफ आप बात करते हो कि आई एम सेल्फ सफिशिएंट इन फूड। If there is self-sufficiency in food, if India is very good in self-sufficiency in food shortages, then why did that person die without food? That question starts there. And right to live, that is not a fundamental right, but it is a related right. It is a related right, right to live. क्या इस अल्बेनियन को राइट टू लिव का अधिकार नहीं था? क्योंकि उसके मोहर पे लगा हुआ था कि ये अल्बेनियन है इसलिए इसको मार देंगे, और क्योंकि ये सर्व है तो बड़ा ये विकराल, बड़ा ये काबिल आदमी बन गया। सो जस्ट रिकॉल दैट एंड जस्ट सी वेयर आर दोज राइट्स, वेयर आर द राइट्स बीइंग इन्फ्रिंज्ड। वो राइट्स कहां इन्फ्रिंज हुआ? अरे भाई, आपको मिलके हम बनाए नेता, आप इलेक्शन जीते, इलेक्शन जीतने का मतलब आप मेरे लिए भी काम करो, इनके लिए भी काम करो, इनके लिए भी करो, लेकिन क्या आप हुक्म आदेश देते हो कि नहीं? Accept the dominance of the Serbs, and if you are not accepting, then leave the country. 3 examples we studied. In all the examples, we came to understand about somewhere or the other the rights are infringed. Either the rights in what way? On the basis of the humanitarian ground, or on the basis of you can say either brotherly feelings, or on the type of the गवर्नेंस ऑफ ए कंट्री। गवर्नेंस ऑफ ए कंट्री के आधार पर भी आप देखोगे कि यहां पर राइट्स इन्फ्रिंज हो रहा है। सो गॉट इट क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? द 3 एग्जांपल्स टॉकिंग अबाउट द मैसेकर, टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिटीजंस राइट, एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द ग्वांटानामो बे प्रिजन। क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? देन वी विल नाउ मूव ऑन टू द टॉपिक व्हाट इज ए राइट, व्हाट इज द पॉजिटिव फीलिंग्स रिगार्डिंग द राइट, what is the negative feelings regarding the rights, why rights are necessary in a democracy, what could have been if no rights were to be given to us? अगर rights मुझे नहीं दिए जाते तो what ill effects, क्या demerits हो सकते थे? क्या हम लोग जो अपना लाइफ लीड कर रहे हैं इस डेमोक्रेसी में, भगवान से शुक्र मनाइए कि हम लोग भारत में पैदा लिए जहाँ पर लोकतंत्र है। बड़े आनंद से हम लोग अपना घर जाते हैं, टहलते चारों तरफ मस्ती देखते हुए, ये डेमोक्रेसी में ही है। अन्यथा डेमोक्रेसी के अलावे इफ वी कुड गो फॉर कम्युनिज्म, इफ वी कुड गो फॉर मोनार्कियल रूल लाइक किंग जॉन नॉर्थ कोरिया, गो फॉर पाकिस्तान, देयर मिलिट्री रूल, सेमी मिलिट्री इज देयर, जहां पर राष्ट्रपति को भी नहीं छोड़ता, एसेसिनेट करते, सीधे गोली मार देता है वहां पर राष्ट्रपति को। जहां देखता है कि अगवा कर रहा है राष्ट्रपति तो सीधे मिलिट्री वहां पर ऊपर चढ़ जाता है। बट इन अ डेमोक्रेसी वी फील दैट वी आर सिक्योर्ड ओवर हियर, नो राइट्स, नो डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द पर्सनैलिटी। सो 3 एग्जांपल्स वी हैव सॉट। लेट मी आस्क सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस विद यू। यस मेगा बात इज सेंड द करंट वन व्हिच वी स्टडीड, what was the attitude of the Milosevic after winning the election? And why? 2 questions are there. What was the attitude of Milosevic, the nationalist leader who won the election, and why did he develop such type of an attitude? Is it clear, the thing which I made you understand? If it is not clear, let me go back once again. Is it clear जो चीज मैंने किया अभी? ठीक, क्लियर तो है, सही बात है। हिंदी बोले, अंग्रेजी बोले, बताइए मेगा बात। Tell me, because I also don't have so much of time. It means that I am failing my exam. I couldn't make you all understand.
Milosevic became hostile against Albania.
He became hostile against the Albanians.
And he wanted
And he wanted
Serbian to be dominated.
that Serbians should dominate the country. That's a simple, clear cut answer. What is the problem in that? Megha, you stand up and tell me, what was the problem with my question? Nay, this is a black mark upon me. फदक फदक के मुंह सूख गया, उधरों चलता है, इधर भी चलता है, सही बात है। और उसमें अगर आप नहीं बोलेंगे तो मुझे लगता है कि नहीं, कुछ कमी मेरे मुझ में है जो कि I cannot make you understand. What was the problem in my question? The two things can be there. Either you were not present in the class, or you couldn't understand my language. हाँ? वो तो छोड़ दीजिए, आंसर हम नहीं पूछ रहे हैं। अब हम अपना आंसर पूछ रहे हैं आपसे। Am I correct to say, sir, madam, you were not present in the class, or you couldn't understand my language? I know they came to power, and the very first thing they did was that they wanted Serbians' dominance in the country. If no Serbian dominance, then Albanians leave the country. And that was the thing. The Albanians did not accept. And since Albanians did not accept, so they were killed. Sit down. What was the result of Milosevic? What was the result of Milosevic after the massacre? What was the result of Milosevic, the nationalist leader, after the massacre? After the massacre, what was the result? Sir, Milosevic was implicated in the International Court of Justice in Hague, where he was punished, where he was penalized. Lost. मुकेड़ी बांध लिए हैं, कुछ नहीं बोलना है, कोविड का पालन करना है, नए गुरुदेव हम नए बोलेंगे, ऐसे नहीं होगा है। आप ग्रीन टी शर्ट में स्टैंड अप। What differences in the legislature you find in Saudi Arabia and that of in India? What differences in the legislators you find that of in India and that of in Saudi Arabia? Sir, in India the legislatures are directly appointed by we people. From the constituency we elect our legislators. But in Saudi Arabia, it is at the mercy of the king. He chooses them. Baap re baap. It's not good. Either I will take this much of little water and put my nose and I will die. Such a simple thing and you cannot speak. Yes. Stand up. Why were the people arrested in Guantanamo Bay episode? And who were those people? For what cause? दो तीन क्वेश्चन एक साथ में पूछ रहे हैं. Who were those people? For what cause and why? Who were those people? For what cause and why were they?
Because in UN one terrorist attack was there on all.
UN in United Nations. Where was that bombardment? Where did that bombardment take place?
Twin Tower in New York.
Yes, the Twin Tower in New York in 12 September 2001. Let him speak. Sir, the bombardment took place there and it was assumed that Muslims had created such attack of a terrorist activity. So United States Army, they led an operation in which more than 600 Muslim people, they were arrested. And they were arrested and they were put behind the bars where? They were put behind the bars where? Robben Island. Where? Is it Robben Island? Even yesterday you were there in the class. Where they were kept? They were kept in which name of that prison? Guantanamo Bay prison. Where it is? Cuba is also famous for sugar production, the highest in the world. Okay, very fine then. We can now leave and we'll move on with another systematic and lengthy topic, rights. Okay. So 3 examples, virtually all small questions, anywhere from any line. I hope you can do it. Okay. If there is any problem, you can ask me for 1 more minute. Let me stay here for a minute. I didn't ask anything from Mona. This is Mona, is it? Yes, stand up. You are? Khushi. Yes, Khushi, every time remaining Khushi. So the very first one says that I can also go in Khushi to my home. So one question is from my side. What did the Secretary General of United Nations tell about Guantanamo Bay prison? Final result of Secretary General. Guantanamo Bay prison के बारे में Secretary General ने finally क्या बोला? शायद हम रिवाइज किए थे अभी हम थोड़ी देर पहले. Mona, can you speak? The last line of that chapter, Guantanamo Bay. The prison should be closed. Yes, उन्होंने यही बोला कि इस जेल को बंद कर दिया जाए. It should be closed down. But still, did United States accept that or not? No, it was not accepted by the United States. Okay, then we are stopping here and we'll move on with the topic of lengthy topic, that is right from tomorrow onwards. Come in time, some of you are late. It's good. I'm happy with you all and we'll have a good class. Anybody having a problem? First 5 minutes, take that class. Okay? Ask me the question. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.